Today I will show you how to rebase a branch on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. Now once you're logged in, this is what your dashboard will look like. Now we're going to navigate to the right side of the page where we see the icon that displays our display image. We click on that and we click on repositories. Now we're going to look for the repository of which you want to rebase its branch. We click on that, and I'm assuming that you've gone through the process of creating a pull request and you want to merge the pull request against the either the development branch or the production branch, but you're having a rebase issue because someone already added a code to the main branch. So what you can do is, on your pull requests, you're gonna come to this side that says, so usually if there's a conflict or there's a need to rebase, you see there are conflicts here, and this merge pull request is going to change to rebase and merge, and it's going to be a red button. But since it's not there, we don't have a conflict. This is why ours looks like this. But you can click here and you can go to rebase and merge, and once you click on rebase, it's going to rebase the branch. Now that's how you rebase a branch on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.